In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up data validation in Google Sheets. Data validation is a simple way to control what users can type into specific cells, helping you keep your spreadsheet clean, accurate, and consistent. We'll walk through selecting the cells, opening the right menu, choosing the proper criteria, and setting up helpful messages so people know exactly what to enter. Start by selecting the range of cells where you want the rule to apply. You can click and drag across a column, a row, or a block of cells. If your data is in multiple separate areas, apply the rule to one range first, then repeat for others. Being precise here ensures the validation only affects the cells you intend. Next, go to the top toolbar and click the Data menu. This is where spreadsheet controls for sorting, cleanup, and validation live. From this menu, choose Data Validation. A dialog box will open with all the options you need. In the dialog, look for the Criteria section. This is the heart of the setup. Choose the type of rule that fits your situation. For example, if you only want certain words or categories, pick List of Items and enter each allowed item separated by commas. If you need numbers within a range, select number and specify conditions like greater than, less than, or between. For dates, choose a date rule so entries align with your time frame. If your allowed values already exist in a column, you can reference that range to keep things easy to update later. Selecting appropriate criteria here helps prevent typos and out-of-scope entries before they become a problem. Scroll down to the On Invalid Data section and choose Reject Input. This option blocks entries that don't meet your rule, which is the most reliable way to maintain accuracy. If you prefer to guide rather than block, there's also a warning mode, but for strict control, Reject is best. If you want to guide users before they type, check Show Input Message when cell is selected. Write a short, clear note like, enter a whole number between 1 and 10, or choose from the list. This small hint reduces confusion and speeds up data entry. You can also check Show Error Alert to display a custom message when someone tries to enter invalid data. Keep it friendly and specific, explaining what's allowed so they can correct the entry quickly. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the validation. Your selected cells now enforce the rules you set, helping you maintain clean, reliable data throughout your sheet.